Okay, bro. So when I say the major seventh and the minor seventh, okay, let's see how they can work out the major seventh today, okay, to make it sound better, make it sound harmonizing. This is for the major seventh. Okay. In other words, you can improvise or you can sub a major seventh. Okay, when from your do, when you're going to your do chord. Okay, normally, for instance, this is your major chord in that key of C, your major note, sorry, your major chord, do, or like this, or you can play, okay, anyone. But now, most time I play a sus2 chord, sub like this. I silent the mi, yeah, to the re. Okay, silent the mi to the re. So I play like this. Okay, I believe you might know the chord. So in space of using the major seventh I showed you can use it. Let me, for instance, let me play this song. I am alone, daddy lady. I am the Lord, your healer. Okay, coming down to my sus2 chord. I said my word. That is where I'm playing the major seven. Now, instead of still playing the do, I sub it to the major seven now. Okay, the major seven is just like playing a mi, just like playing a mi chord. Okay. I said my word, and la la easy. Play my re. I am the Lord, your healer. Okay, so I believe with that you'll be able to understand, how to use the major chord. Okay, so the another song I'm going to show you is our own dialect song. I believe you're going to understand how it works. Okay, with our own dialect song. I believe you know this song. Song Bob Mom Jesus, our dialect song. Let's say I'm starting from my normal do chord. Jesus, now, if I want to substitute to the major 7 chord, this is how I'm going to play it. Sorry. Okay, it's very simple. Now I'm substituting to the major 7, go to my La, which is the A minor chord, go to my Re, which is the D minor chord, to So, which is the G major. So I believe with this you'll be able to understand how to use a major 7th. Okay, for the minor 7th, I'm going to show you that in the next video.